Hey guys, I'm going to put a 2-inch lift kit on this CF Moto, this Z-Force 800 Trail. One thing I wanted to show you guys is if you measure this, it only comes out to 1 inch. So I don't know what that total means, but it was a 2-inch lift kit, but this is only 1 inches thick. Pretty simple to do. You need a 17mm socket to take off your lug nuts. Then you're going to need a 15mm socket, 15mm wrench, and then right over here, 15mm one side and the other. Loosen it, then come up here, take the top one off, spin a wrench, loosen this to the point. You can hold on to your spring. If the spring turns, that's alright, as long as that locking nut keeps turning. Get it to the point where it just slides off. Now mind you, you want to measure from the top of here to where your spring was. So when you tighten it back up, it'll be the same. You match it. For me, it was 5.5 inches. So I'll tighten it back down to 5.5 inches from here to the spring. You can measure from wherever, as long as it equals out to be the same as when you started. So now this is nice and loose. Spring moves. Pull out this bottom bolt. Lift up on your A-arm. Push it down. This is going to come right out. Pull this up. This little rubber grommet right under here, push that up a little bit. This is going to come right off. Now, your whole spring comes off. That's it. You don't really need to take the whole spring off, but I did. So now, obviously put it back on the same way. Push it up to the top. You're going to put this on. See, I'm going to have to loosen it some more. So now I'm going to push that up. Actually, I pushed this rubber a little too far. Push it back down. I'm making it look harder than it actually is. It's pretty easy. Put your spacer back on. This part back up. Slide everything back down on top. You're good to go. That's it. Put everything back together, tighten this back down to where you want it to be, and you're all set.